It's time to play par 4. 310. I'm about to send an absolute masher down the center of this fairway.
Car path.
I mean, we're just running. Probably the worst swing I've ever had in my entire life, but what can you do? All right, boys, second shot. I was never known for my driver, so let's just put this close and get out of here with probably a bird. Oh, we're going right at it. Should be pretty good. All right, guys, probably a 30-footer, 25. This is drainable for bird. Casher. Like I said, just who I am.